And welcome back, 18th of May, Further Maths 5 at 8, and let's just go straight to the first one. So this is a solve. Now, as I've said in other comments, if I was in the exam, I'd probably just use a quadratic formula. This is Corbett. Corbett often uses factorising, so I think I can probably factorise this. So let's give it a go. So the 6 is tricky, because that could be 6 and 1 or 3 and 2, but the 5 isn't, because it's definitely going to be 5 and 1. Also, these are both pluses, so I also know these are both pluses here and here. So actually, really, it's just, is it going to be 6x and x, or is it going to be 2x and 3x? And then where do I put the 2x and 3x? Well, I want 31. And the only way I'm going to get to 31, or the best way of getting to 31, is do 6 times 5, and then add another one, and that's going to give me 31. So actually, having thought it might be 2 and 3, in this case, it is going to be 6 and 1. This means, because I haven't actually answered the question, have I? So solve, which means my answers are going to be x is equal to minus a sixth, which comes from here, or x is going to be equal to minus 5. And that's it, question done. Next question. Given sine theta equals a quarter and theta is obtuse. So as we've done before, obtuse means it is between 90 and 180. Now I'm going to draw a quick triangle. So I could use various formula. Triangle is much easier here. So I know this is a right angle triangle. There's my angle there. Opposite is 1. Adjacent is 4. 4 squared, 16, minus 1 is 15. So this is a square root of 15, which means that tan theta is going to be opposite 1 divided by adjacent, which is 1 over root 15. But as I know from the graph of tan, that's up to 90, and all my obtuse angles are below the axis. So therefore, that's going to be minus 1 over 15. Or 1 over root 15, I should say. Question done. Next question. Sketch the graph of, it's not the same function, is it? No, it's not. Sketch the graph of y equals 6x squared minus 5x minus 56 and work out the equation of the line of symmetry. Okay, you know what I'm going to say, don't I? Let's see if we can factorise this. So 56 is 7 and 8. So I'm going to start by putting a 7, 18. I don't think it's going to be 2 and 28, because that's too big for minus 5. And then 6. Now this time I do think it's 2 and 3. So what do I want? So I want 2 times 8 is 16. 3. Yeah, that's it. So it's going to be 2x and 3x. And that is because 2 times 8 is 16. Take away 3 times 7. So that's a plus 8 and a minus 3. And that tells me my crossing points are 7 over 2 and minus 8 over 3. Okay, so far. Let's sketch that. So 7 over 2 is 3.5, and 8 over 3 is a bit less than 2, a bit less than 3. So let's put that there and this here, which means I need my turning point to be the wrong side, or to the right of the y-axis. Not to the wrong side, to the right side. Now, this is a further math exam, so you know how to differentiate. So if I differentiate, so dy dx, easy and completing the square, is 12x minus 5. I want that to equal 0. So therefore x equals 5 over 12. So my vertex, which is also my line of symmetry, is x equals 5 over 12. What does it want? So work out the equation. So sketching, if possible, label the axis. So this is minus 56. This one here is 7 over 2. And this is minus 8 over 3. Question done. Last question. The coefficient of x squared in the expansion of this thing here is this. Now, actually, I don't know what the sixth line is. So I'm going to write the fifth one. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Sixth one underneath. So 1, 6, 15, 15. No, that's not right. 1, 6, 20. 15, 6, 1. And what do I want? So I want x squared. So this is x0, x1, x squared. So it's going to be 15 times a to the power of 6 minus 4, which is 6 minus 2, which is 4, times, well, I don't need the x squared, so I'm going to write it. Let's leave that out. Is equal to 9375. And then let's divide by 15. Now, I'm hoping for a nice number. So divide that by 15, and I get 625. Good. And I do know the fourth root of 625 is 5, or minus 5, and it does say values, so I'm happy I've got 2. Question done, and that's today done. As ever, good mix of questions today. Haven't seen a couple of those for a while. I like the third question. Can you graph? Can you understand? Yeah, quite a good day today. Let me know how it went for you. Like, subscribe. See you tomorrow.